Meet GTM Engine, the AI-powered sales execution platform built for modern revenue teams, now fully integrated with HubSpot CRM. Connect GTM Engine to your HubSpot account in just a few clicks, authorize access, and your pipeline data syncs instantly, no complex setup required. Once connected, your HubSpot deals, contacts, and activities populate GTM Engine's intelligent workspace, giving you a cleaner, more actionable view of your pipeline. GTM Engine automatically captures your calls, notes, and tasks, and syncs them back to the right records in HubSpot, so your CRM stays clean without any extra work. Use GTM Engine's forecasting tools, performance dashboards, and AI-powered coaching to make better decisions, all using the data you already manage in HubSpot. Connect GTM Engine to HubSpot today and give your sales team the visibility, precision, and momentum they need to hit quota faster.